If you want to change your name on Claude AI, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps to do this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. First, you need to go ahead and log into your Claude AI, and once you're here, you should be able to see your profile icon down below. Go ahead and click on it and choose Settings. Now under Settings, go ahead and choose General, and here you'll be able to see your profile. Here you can now edit your name by entering your full name here and also what Claude should call you. So for instance, I'll go ahead and enter a name, or if you had one, you can now change like that, and I'll wish to use the same here. And by doing so, now this will be my name. I'll go ahead and tap on Save Changes, and as you can see, this will go ahead and apply the changes, and as you can see, the changes are being updated. So that's how you can change your name on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.